The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here, and I couldn't be more excited to dive into it. In today's video, we'll be unboxing this powerhouse, going over all of its amazing features, and doing a hands-on comparison with the S24 Ultra. Let's get started. First things first, look at this packaging. We've got a sleek, updated design with a silhouette of the S25 Ultra on the side. And guess what? It's all made with 100% recyclable paper. Samsung's pushing for eco-friendly materials, and I'm here for it. Inside the box, you'll find the usual suspects: the device itself, a SIM card tool, some paperwork, and a USB Type-C cable. But don't miss this little extra compartment up top where they hide a few other accessories, like the SIM card ejector tool. Now, this year's color options are absolutely stunning. I have the titanium silver blue in hand, but it's also available in titanium white, titanium gray, and titanium black. There are 3 exclusive colors too: titanium pink gold, titanium jade green, and a gorgeous titanium jet black. The jet black variant even has color-matched frames for that seamless premium look. All right, let's bring in the S24 Ultra for a side-by-side comparison. Immediately, you'll notice that the S25 Ultra has smoother, more rounded corners compared to the squared-off edges of the S24. The S25 is also noticeably lighter at 218 grams, 14 grams lighter than the S24 Ultra, and it feels slimmer and less wide too. Another notable difference is the camera rings. They've been beefed up this year, giving the S25 a more refined, premium look. Samsung's really focusing on refining the design while still keeping its signature style. Despite the lighter weight, Samsung has stuck with high-end materials, including improved titanium for the frame. This gives the S25 Ultra a rugged but sleek feel. Plus, it still retains the IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, so it's built to withstand whatever life throws at it. At the front, we've got Gorilla Armor 2, an improvement over the Gorilla Armor on the S24 Ultra. Samsung claims that it's about 30% more resistant to fractures and 60% less likely to sustain screen damage. But no matter how tough it is, you'll definitely want to protect it, and that's where our sponsor, Subcase, comes in. Big thanks to Subcase for sponsoring today's video. They've got award-winning protection like their UB Pro case, which combines TPU and polycarbonate for superior drop protection, or the UB Grip with textured edges for a secure hold. My personal favorite is the UB Mag XT, which supports MagSafe compatibility for wireless charging and even includes a built-in camera cover to protect your lenses. Let's talk about this screen. Samsung has once again outdone themselves. The S25 Ultra features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with Quad HD Plus resolution, offering a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and peak brightness of 2600 nits. The bezels are 15% thinner this year, making the screen feel even more expansive. The display's got all the features you'd expect: vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and now, with the addition of MDN technology, it can upscale content by up to 43%. The fingerprint scanner remains as fast and reliable as ever with the Qualcomm Gen 2 3D Sonic sensor. Under the hood, we've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, which is a custom version of the Snapdragon 8 with overclocked speeds and features tailored specifically for Samsung. The S25 Ultra comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 40% larger vapor chamber compared to the S24 Ultra, so you can expect a smooth performance no matter what you throw at it. Let's dive into the camera setup because it's packed with features. The S25 Ultra comes with a 12-megapixel selfie camera, and for the rear, Samsung has really stepped it up. The main camera is a massive 200-megapixel shooter, a 10-megapixel 3-guide zoom lens, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto with up to 100x space zoom, and a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, up from 12 megapixels last year. One of the standout features is the ability to shoot 8K video from the ultra-wide, primary, and 5x telephoto cameras. Plus, the new ProVisual AI engine should result in sharper, more accurate photos, especially in low light. On the video front, we've got 10-bit HDR video recording and pro-level features like log video recording for those who want to get into editing with a flat profile. Now, let's talk software. The S25 Ultra comes with Android 15 and One UI out of the box, with Samsung promising 7 generations of software updates, pretty much unrivaled in the Android space. And they've made some huge strides with their Galaxy AI. From removing background noise in videos to improved AI photo editing and drawing assist, Samsung has packed some really powerful tools into this phone. And we've got personalized AI combining Gemini and Bixby for a more conversational search experience. One of the cool new features is Live Translate, which now supports 20 languages and works offline. Plus, there's Transcript, which allows you to record and transcribe phone calls, a feature I think many people are going to love. With AI Select, you can select text, images, or links on screen, and the phone will give you intelligent suggestions, like searching for text or opening maps for an address. To sum it all up, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most powerful, feature-packed phones on the market. From the improved design and display to the boosted performance and revolutionary camera features, this phone is truly in a class of its own. So, if you're thinking about upgrading, the S25 Ultra is definitely worth considering. And don't forget to check out my affiliate link in the description for exclusive deals and extra storage. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming hands-on camera comparisons and full review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. How's that?